In this video, we are going to talk about event planning versus event management. Event planning is actually an ongoing process. It starts at the beginning and is continued till your event is actually executed. Whereas event management involves creating, coordinating, and managing all different departments or components of an event, as well as a team of people who's responsible for those components. Now, to make you understand the process of an event planning, I created this hierarchy of an event management team. Let's talk about it. Event manager. Now, event manager is a person who's responsible for supervising your event and your team. Now, he's the person who's going to find you the customer and then connect that customer with an event planner. Event planner will work closely with the customer and ask him about each and every requirement for the event, and then pass that information to event coordinator. Now, you can have one event coordinator or you can have multiple event coordinator, depending on how small or big your event is or what your event management team requirement is. If your company or your team is small, then you can have one event coordinator. I think that one event coordinator would be enough. But if you have big event management team or company, then you can hire as many event coordinators you want. Further, event coordinator is divided into different teams: marketing team, logistic team, catering team. All of them will work on coming up with the best event planning. Marketing team will tell us about when to advertise or which social media platform to use, what to market and what not. Logistics will work on his plan. Catering will tell us what food items are available or what we can come up with. All of that information will then pass to event coordinator and then to event planner. Event planner will check with the customer, and if your customer is satisfied, and then we check with our event manager, and if he checks up, then the next step is execution. You execute that plan. But then again, event manager is the person who should have a contingency plan or plan B. If something goes wrong, he is the person we look for, and he should be creative enough to solve that problem on site. And that's how the event planning process works. If you like this video, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.